Hey everybody, what is going on? It's Bill with Franklin Loan Center. Today I want to talk about a really important topic that is going to come up for anybody that buys a house in California, and it's supplemental property taxes. So this is one of the big surprises that any homeowner will get when they buy a house in California. You know, they buy the house and usually within 6 months to a year, they get this supplemental tax bill. Well, what the heck is this? Do I owe it? What's going on? Here's how it works, right? And yes, you do owe it. But here's how it works, right? So in California, when you buy a house, the county that you bought it in is going to assess that house in almost every case at your purchase price, right? But it takes them some time to get that assessment done. So let's create a scenario. So let's say you bought your house on June 1st. That's the day you closed on the new house. And then the county takes until December 31st to actually get that reassessment done, right? So, and let's say you bought it for $800,000, but the house was previously assessed for only $300,000. So for that half of the year that from the time you closed until the county reassessed, they were collecting taxes at the $300,000 assessment amount, even though it was for $800,000. So what this supplemental tax bill does is it basically backwards collects the taxes at the amount you bought the house for, in this scenario, $800,000, right? So this is absolutely money that you owe the county. There's no question about it. But here's one thing that's really important. The vast majority of people that get a mortgage sign up for impound accounts or an escrow account with their mortgage, which means they're going to pay the taxes and insurance monthly as a part of their mortgage. So almost every loan officer is going to set those up in the proper way, which means they're going to set them up based on what the new assessed value will be, right? So they're over collecting versus what the current taxes are. So if these taxes get paid, then it's going to, at the old rate, then it's going to leave a large chunk of money in your escrow account with the lender, right? So one thing that I usually tell all my clients is, look, you can often just take that supplemental tax bill that you get, forward it to your lender, and they will just pay that for you because they're going to see that they have a bunch of extra money in the account, right? But there are some complications to that. Not every lender will do it. So sometimes, yes, you do have to pay it. And then what ends up happening is once that every single mortgage servicer has to audit their impound and escrow accounts every year. And so that's when they will see, wait a minute, we're overfunded here. And then they'll actually refund you the money, right? So yes, a supplemental tax bill is 100%, it's going to have to get paid, but it is not extra money or something like that. It is just taking it back to the date that you bought the house and then adjusting the taxes between the time that you bought it and the county actually got it reassessed. For more details on this, because everybody's situation can be a little bit different, please reach out to me. It's a little bit complicated, and the big thing is who, after just buying a house, paying down payment, closing costs, all the costs to settle into the house, then get surprised with a tax bill. Please don't be surprised with it. It is something that's going to have to get paid. It will happen to virtually every person that buys a house in California. But if you're prepared for it, you know what's going on. Please watch this video for anybody, or forward this video to anybody that's buying in California. It's really important. Thanks so much. I'm Bill. I'm with Franklin Loan Center, and I'll see you all next week.